To call the Alchemy REST API, start by understanding the basics of REST APIs in the Alchemy platform. Alchemy is a suite of APIs that provide access to blockchain data and functionality, enabling developers to build scalable and reliable blockchain-based applications. First, you need to create an account on the Alchemy website and obtain an API key. This key is unique to your account and is used to authenticate your API requests. Once you have your API key, choose the specific Alchemy API you want to call, such as the Ethereum API or the Polygon API. Next, review the API documentation to determine the endpoint you need to call. Alchemy API endpoints are organized by category, such as blocks, transactions, and contracts. Each endpoint has a specific URL and accepts certain parameters. To make an API call, construct the URL by combining the base URL, the endpoint, and any required parameters. For example, to get the balance of an Ethereum account, you would use the GET request to the eth_getBalance endpoint. Use a tool like Postman or curl to send the HTTP request to the constructed URL. Include your API key in the request headers to authenticate the call. The API will respond with a JSON object containing the requested data. When working with the Alchemy REST API, follow best practices such as handling errors and exceptions, implementing rate limiting, and securing your API key. It is also essential to test your API calls thoroughly to ensure they are working as expected. By following these steps and guidelines, you can successfully call the Alchemy REST API and start building your blockchain-based application. Remember to consult the official Alchemy documentation for the most up-to-date information and to stay within the usage limits of your API key.